Remember, manifestation is not about checking external reality. It's about changing internal reality. So focus on maintaining a state of wish fulfillment. Keep affirming and visualizing your desires until they become a fact in your physical reality. And don't forget, you have to persist in your assumptions and desires. Believe in your manifestation and let the universe work its magic. And always remember, if I can do it, you can too. So keep pushing forward and never give up on your desired reality. Persistence is the key to manifestation. So keep affirming, visualizing, and imagining your desired reality until it becomes a fact. Don't let doubts or the lack of physical evidence discourage you. Just like in the example of online shopping, we don't constantly check for the delivery van. We trust that it will come. Similarly, trust in your manifestation and persist in your assumption of having that desire. I hope my recent success story has inspired you to persist in your manifestation journey and has given you an idea of what you need to do. So don't give up on your desired reality. Persist in your assumption, and you will receive your manifestation. Keep believing and stay focused on maintaining the state of wish fulfillment. In conclusion, manifestation is all about changing your internal reality and letting that change reflect in your external reality. So persist in your assumption, and don't let doubts or external circumstances discourage you. Your manifestation is on its way. And the law of assumption says that whatever we assume to be true becomes reflected in our lives. So persist in your affirmations, visualizations, and imagined acts, and stay focused on maintaining the state of wish fulfillment. And remember, manifestation is not about checking external circumstances. It's about changing internal realities. You can do it. Just don't give up on your desired reality. Keep persisting and trust the process, and soon enough you'll see the manifestation of your desires. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Until next time, keep manifesting and remember, you have the power to create your reality. And remember, persistence is the key to manifestation. I hope this video has been helpful in clearing up your understanding of manifestation. If you have any questions or want to share your manifestation stories, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.